Welcome to all of our Wilton High School parents to your virtual open house 2022. I hope that this format will work well and be convenient for you as you view all of this at home. Also, for those who have multiple students here at the high school, you'll be able to hear a nice message from all of your children's teachers. I have received some feedback that some parents will prefer holding our open house live in person again next year, so we will strongly consider that option. Our teachers and I are excited to have this opportunity to connect with you about our great work here at our high school. We're having an outstanding year so far. All of our teachers have posted welcome greetings, which may include a message about themselves, some information about their course, and really a depiction of what teaching and learning will look like for your daughter or son in their classes. You should gain an understanding of their overall educational program and the outstanding teachers with who your children learn and grow. In terms of the current state of the school, our students and staff are flourishing together in our classrooms this year. Our faculty members are talented, caring, and very, very skilled in their content areas. They are truly dedicated to our students' education and also to their wellness. We are also experiencing a great infusion of talents and skills with our freshman class as they have adjusted very well to the pace and the culture of our high school. Congratulations in advance to our parents of seniors who are experiencing an exciting start to their senior year. Congratulations to these parents as well. We continue to prioritize our quest to actualize our portrait of the graduate, commonly referred to as the POG, through our challenging academic program. These 6 POG attributes are important and will be an integral piece in ensuring that our students are college and career ready and that they are well prepared for future challenges and opportunities. In addition to our rigorous academic program, we continue to prioritize student health and wellness. Our block schedule has definitely created a more manageable, less frenetic pace in the school. In advisory, we take time to ensure that students are learning strategies to understand and reduce the stressors in their lives. And finally, our new facility, affectionately called the Cave, is an area where students can practice mindfulness during a break in their schedules. So parents, in terms of actually current student life here at the high school, we are in the middle of homecoming week with America Day, Class Color Day, and other festivities. Our students are enjoying the week, smiling, and looking forward to the pep rally tomorrow and this weekend's games, events, and also the homecoming dance on Saturday evening. So as you prepare to view your teachers' messages, I want to thank all of our parent community for participating in this virtual open house tonight, and most importantly for entrusting your outstanding children to our administration and our staff and our faculty here at Wilton High School. We are looking forward to a rewarding school year with deep learning and also a focus on student wellness. You'll hear a welcoming message from our outstanding PTSA President, Sue Robbins. Thank you and enjoy this experience.
Hello everybody, my name is Sue Robbins and I'm the new PTSA President. I would like to welcome all our families to the 2022 Virtual Open House. Even though the start of the semester has been a busy one, the atmosphere within school has been upbeat. The PTSA partners with the school across a wide range of areas such as enrichment programming, like the Yellow Dress program about teen dating abuse. We provide gifts and grants, and last year we provided new gym equipment for the Fitness and Wellness Centre. Alongside this, we have volunteers that host hospitality events such as Teacher Appreciation Week and Bus Drivers Appreciation Breakfast, help set up the college fair, organise the 9th through 11th grade photos, senior picnic and graduation setup, freshman parent Q&A panel, and staffing the Cave, which is our meditation room, to name just a few things. Please consider volunteering to support our various programmes. Towards the end of the school year, we underwrite the book awards, which are held during the end of year awards ceremony. We also have the Cesar Jimenez Scholarship, which is awarded to 2 students for their selflessness and service to the Wilton High School community. We also produce and publish the weekly Warrior newsletter, which gives an update of what is happening both within our school and wider communities. Our membership drive will be opening shortly, and we would encourage you to join the PTSA. Through your membership dues, we are able to continue to support our school community. For further information or to contact me, please go to the PTSA page on the high school website. I hope you enjoy the virtual open house and would like to wish you all a fabulous school year.